Hello everyone, today in front of me I have BLACKVIEW A70 smartphone, and let me show how you can set the Opera as your default browser on this device. So the first way to do that is to open up the settings. At the settings, look for the apps and notifications category. In here, go for the default apps. At the default apps menu, choose the browser app, and all that it's left to do is to select Opera by simply tapping on it, and that will ultimately mean that we have successfully set Opera as our default browser. There is also the second way to do it directly from the Opera application, so let's open it. Here at the bottom right corner, tap on your avatar picture. Here go for the settings gear, and then at the settings page scroll down until you stumble upon the default browser section. Then tap on it, click on next, select the Opera as we did from the settings, and tap on set as default. Great success. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!